Hi viewers, I welcome you once more again to AB Math Education. Today we are looking at SAT questions, especially exponential. We have 3 questions that we are going to consider using the exponential laws. Please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And so we have x to the power 12 equals 32n to the power 4 and x to the power 9 equals to 4n. They want us to find x. Since I see x here, 32n here, and 4n here, I'm going to divide the bigger one over the smaller one to see how best we can do it. So we can say that this implies that x to the power 12 divided by x to the power 9 must be equals to 32 n to the power 4 over 4 to the n. When it comes here, we can say that x to the power 12 minus 9. We are using the exponential law. We have a to the power n and an. But we can say that we take the base a to the power m minus n. And that's what we are using here. And when we come here, this is a number. 32 divided by 4 is 8. And here every number is to the power 1. So here n power 4 minus 1. Using the same law. This will give us s to the power 3 must be equals to 8 to the power n. 8 times n to the power 3. We see power 3, so can we express the 8 to the power 3? Yes. 8 is equals to 2 times 2 times 2, which is the same as 2 to the power 3. This implies that we have x to the power 3 equals to 2 to the power 3 n to the power 3. So here we can say that x to the power 3 must be equals to 2n all to the power 3. If we have a to the power m equals to b to the power m, since the powers are the same, we can say that the base must be the same. So here we can say that since we have 3 to the power 3, we can say that x is equals to n. And that is the right option. We have our second question. Let's express 12 with respect. We see 2 and 3. So we can say that 4 times 3 all to the power 3 must be equals to 2x times 3. So that's the first step. We see the 3 is already here, so the 2 we can express 4 as 2 squared times 3 cubed must be equals to 2x times 3. Right. If we remove the parentheses, we will have power to power. So it's going to be 2 to the power 6 times 3 to the power 3 must be equals to 2x times 3. Right. So here, since we have the various corresponding bases, we can equate the powers. So looking at here, this implies that you see x here, 2 to the power x and 2 component 6. So we can say that x is equals to that. And we can say that it's either y. Y is that. This implies that x is equals to 6 and y is equals to 3. Therefore, x plus y is equals to 6 plus 3, which is equals to 9. Look at our answer. That's that. Here is negative. That's where it didn't come clear on. we have a to the power 4 on 3 times 8 to the power negative 8 on 3 equals to 1 2 to the power m. First of all, let's go ahead and apply the law of exponents. If we have a to the power m times a to the power n, it's a to the power m plus n. And here, so we take 8 to the power 4 and 3 plus negative 8 on 3 equals to 1 to the power divided by 1 over 2 to the power n. So here we got 8. It's going to be, we have the same denominator, so we take our 3, take 4. Our plus and minuses, we got minus, kind of, here every number is over 1, so positive 1 times negative is going to be negative 8 equals to 1 power. So here will give us negative 4 to the power 8 to the negative 4 on 3. And now we got this to the power m. You can go ahead and change this 8 to 2. So 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is same as 2 to the power 3. So we can write here as that equals to 1 to the power divided by 2 to the power n. Power to power is multiplying, but we have the same number here. So this will cancel that. So 10 into 1. So we have 2 to the power negative 4 equals to 1 on 2 to the power n. But we know that when we have 1 over a is the same as a to the power negative 1. So this implies that we will have 2 to the power negative 4 is equals to 2 to the power negative. So therefore, since we have the same base, we can say that negative 4 must be equals to negative n. And then we divide both sides by negative 1. And then we get this. So m is equals to 4. And the D is a good option here. Thank you very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so. Give me thumbs up if you liked the video. See you in the next video. Be blessed. Bye-bye.